So in the last video, we have created one application that will move the circle in upward side, right hand side, or left hand side. So we try to create that. In that, we first take the circle that will be my circle. We given the ID as my circle and also the buttons up, left, down, right. So we have created that. And also we try to move that by using values. So that will move the circle center and that will change the by using methods we can move the circle. So we can use the this handler. So if you need any implementation in that, we can do that. So this is the example of that. So in today's lecture, we are going to create one product management system. In that, first we try to create a registration application. So first we register from user to register that and to store that data. So we have to use the MySQL database. So we need the MySQL jar file. So go to the browser, open the MySQL jar file download, search for a MySQL jar file download, and open the first link, that is devmysql.com. After clicking on that, select the operating system. So we have to select the platform independent because we don't want to change according to the platform. So if you download the Ubuntu Linux, it will not work in the Windows, and if you download the others, it will not work in the other format. So that is why we need the platform independent. Whenever we try to run this application in different operating system, we can able to use that. So we have to download that, and after downloading, just click on no thanks, just start the download. So after downloading, I will just give you at a desktop, and after downloading, you have to just save, and I will just open the MySQL, this that is database, that will be my on desktop. We have to extract that, so I will just extract to here. After extracting, yes, it will take the time. So yes, so we have completed the extraction. So after extracting, go to the file, go to the project structure, select the modules, and in the module, we have to click on the plus icon, jar and directories. Click on that. I have the that jar file in the desktop, so I will just select that. After that, I will just click on again. So I think it will not showing that. So I will just go to the downloads. Then if you see, I have downloaded that already. So it is a MySQL connector J8.2. So after extracting, it will get the jar file. We have to just click on that, click on OK. So it will select that, and we have to just apply that and OK. And then we have to go to the modules. So I will just open module dot space info. We have to just open that. So it will not present this. So it has like this. So I have used that. That is why it is showing. So it will show like this whenever we try to open the module info dot Java. So we imported the jar file, but we need that jar file to use that. So we have to require Java dot SQL. We have to import that also. And after saving this, so we successfully imported that jar file and also the uses. So we can use that jar file to connect our database with our application. So I will just click on one Java file. So that will create or connect our with the database. So I will give database util. So it will use for that. In that, I will just create one main method to show how we can connect them. So first, we have to make the connection. So we will just connection. I will just variable name is equal to null. First time it will be null. After making the connection, we have to change that. So I will just make the connection. So class dot for name we have to pass com dot mysql dot cj, then we have to pass jdbc dot drive, and we have to close that. So it will need the unhandled exception. So we have to do that. So I will just create one try and catch. Yes. Then we will just change, copy this and paste here. Yes. And after that, we have to make the connection. So I will just make the connection. Connection equal to driver manager. These all present in the java.sql package. So driver manager dot get connection, and we have to pass the information, that is jdbc double dot mysql double dot slash local host double dot 3306. This is the port of MySQL, so we have to type that. After that, we have to type the database name. So I will give the database name as hello. You can give any name. So I will just give that. After making this complete URL, we have to give our username. So I will give root. My username is root, and password I will give as my password. So that is 4935. Yes. So we have may make the connections. So it is completed all these things. So I will just create one database here. So create database hello. So it has created the database. If you want to check that if connection is not equal to null, system.out.println, we have to give yes, else system.out.println no. So if you make connection is maintained, then it will print yes. If not, it will print no. So I will just run the application. We will click the util.main. It will build the connection. Yes, so it has maintained the connection. That means our program is correct. So I will just create one user. So after creating this, we have to stop this. So I will just create one user. String SQL equal to in create table. That table is user. In that we are going to give first ID init. That ID is auto increment, and this also primary key. Then we will give first name, then last name. That means varchar. The data type also we have to give 55. After that, last name varchar, we have to give 255, comma. After that, we are going to give gender. That will also varchar 255, comma. We are going to give username varchar 255, and then we are going to give password varchar 255. We will just close that, and we have to create one. That means we have to create this table. So first we have to create a prepare statement. prepare statement equal to connection dot prepare statement. We have to pass SQL, then prepare statement dot execute update. So whenever we try to create any table or insert any table, we have to use execute table. And we are trying to get any information, we have to use the execute query. So I will just give that, and I will just print that system.out.println, that is table created. I will just give that and string table created. Yes. So I will just copy this and I will just paste here. Not created. I will just run again. If table is created, it will show the table is created. If not, it is not give you the error. Yes, so table is created. If you want to see, so I will just use hello and show table. It will show that one table. So we have created that. So we have to just stop using this. So we don't need this because we have created table, and we will just change this to connection. That will be connect. We are not taking any argument, and we have to just return that connection. Yes, so we have completed this. So whenever we need the connection, we will use this class and this method. So this is all about the making the connection with the database. So we have completed that. In the next video, we try to create a register interface. In that, we will try to use the database also. And all these things we try to do in the next video. Thank you.